Bruh. Part 2 of Dumb Animal Adventures. Look who's going out back. This kitty! Go the other way. Oh my god, did you guys see that? He has some hops. No, you're going this way. You're going the other way. He's like, how dare you? Okay, fine. There's a camera pointing at him the entire time. It's like he has, like I made him go there. Or everyone was going to call him a bad kitty, a good kitty. Bad kitty? Good kitty. His tail's more waggy when I say good kitty. Bad kitty. Like he stomped a little. Good kitty. Dang, bro. I guess it doesn't matter if you call him a bad kitty or a good kitty. Oh, Lord, I need you now more than ever. You put my heart back together. Ah! I just kicked my foot into the ground. Wait, is it in the air? That is gone! It's right here. You can see. You can't do that with, like, you can't. I didn't pull it off before this. So far, I'm liking this video. Oh! Listen to the pineapple under the sea. Look how big that is. If you guys, no, you have to see me kick this. Like, you guys can probably see it from a mile away. It's bigger than the Eiffel Tower. Actually, you could probably see it from a couple miles away. Do you guys see this? I don't even think you can see me. Wait, why did I put it in the worst spot? Like, I could have put it, like, right here. You had to see that. You have to see this. Wait, I can't see it because he's standing on it. This is a hibiscus. Okay, you see it? That's just a little piece. Nope. Bye! You don't see it no more. Now you can't see it at all. Cause it out of the ground. Oh, I kicked like more than half of it off. Ah! He's still over. That cat still over there. It's the one in the white and black. Subscribe. Right, this be a good place for me. Like, should I do a dare? I have to get on here and climb this. For 1 second. 1, 2, 3. Ah! That hurt! Bro, I didn't even think that. Dude, that's so old. I can't believe that didn't break. I thought it was going to break immediately. Not you. No, you can turn this. Bro, I'm learning about new stuff. And I'm not even trying to. Like, I'm just doing a video about dumb cats. And that led to me doing this stuff. I took that one fully out of the ground. This one is still. Oh, you guys. Like, this ain't fake. I'm kicking these out of the ground. Saw that in there? You saw that. And you see this. Not that. This. Not that. This. You That's out of the ground. Oh, guys, my brother's painting his room. I don't even think you guys have seen the inside of his room. But does not matter. I haven't even done a house tour. Even though I'll show my house in every one of my videos almost. Yeah. You're such a good kitty. Oh, he did the best time of his life in the sun. And after the best part of the day, the sun's out. About to go into sun set. This water pipe's here. He's bathing and he's getting pets while being on camera. He's gonna be a billionaire, even though I don't get views. I don't get mad views like my old channel. Look, I know you guys can see that. Well, you actually can't. You can. No, this one. No, you guys are gonna think it's fake. This one's strong. I'm giving a lot of power now. Bro, Crocs are not a good job for this. Got it! I actually made it super small. I think I weakened it, guys. Oh! I almost smashed my head. Ooh! Ah! RKO! Guys, that promotion for the RKO is kind of cringy. Kind of not. The RKOs. I just got like a little letter sent to me. It's just because I'm a huge wrestling fan. Every wrestling YouTuber has probably got it at once. They usually do it to the... Holy crap! Oh, that had me so scared. Oh, why is that there? That looks creepy. Why is he there? I think he was looking for that. Did I move the tree that the birds were in? Oh my god, that's the closest I've probably been to a bird then. You don't see me. But I want to do a thing where like I'm recording and I'm and guys, if he sees me, I'm out. Just do not look at me. I get 2 lives. That doesn't count. You don't see me. I scared him, bro. He ran for his life. Oh, well, they're home. Or they're leaving. I hope they're leaving so I can go in their backyard again. Hey, I was in your guys' backyard. Watch this. I'm pulling it off. I can't. I literally tried for 3 seconds and I knew I was too. Wait, do you think my cat will see me? Oh, that hurt so bad. Ow, that hurt so bad. Bro, my hand was perfectly fine and it looked like that now. Ooh, my cat still doesn't see me. Oh my god. Bro, he looks so fast, but I'm faster. Wait, suck my blood. I'm not disgusting for that, guys. People actually suck their blood when they're bleeding. So I'm not the only one, right? Right? Actually, I'm covered in blood, so I could suck my shirt. I'm kidding. Okay, that was a little unnecessary. not a lollipop. It's a shirt I wear. I wear this to school. I wear this to on normal days. I probably, if it's lucky, or if I decide to wear it, if I go to a WWE event, I don't want to look like a hillbilly in the stands. What if I get on the screen, I look like a hillbilly, huh? I got really close to being on the screen. People like 10 sections, like 10 seats down got it on the green screen. Now I tried to like yell, "Yeet!" But the crowd was like so loud. It might have hurt me though. Dude, this place. I think that was the funniest moment of this video. Honestly, probably the funniest moment of the video. I went, did I actually recreate that without even trying to? I intentionally tried to make the sound. Okay, I'm still bleeding. No! Here, take this. You know what? I'm throwing a stick at him. I am so sorry. Guys, we do not support animal abuse. I just tried to throw it next to him and it hit his face. Wait, come here. Let me fix your face. Let me fix it! Let me get you a old punch. Here, no, wait. Let me get you a pet. Do not go in there. I'm so sorry about the face incident. Okay, now go. Go back there. Watch what you're doing. Ah! That was loud, bro. That was loud. No. Oh. Ha! What is he doing, bro? He's like trying to hide from me. You didn't hide this time. You didn't hide. Guys, I don't know why I'm being so mad. I keep hurting my finger that's bleeding. It's only this finger. I thought I saw a spider. Guys, 24-hour cam. Hey. Oh my god, he saw me out the corner of his eye. He had to. Tell me what you guys see. I don't know what I'm seeing right now. Here, let me zoom in. Let me zoom out. Okay. Let me find him real quick. Where'd he go? Where'd he go? What the flip? That was the funniest thing ever. I looked in there and I just saw him going, wait. I looked in and you know what I saw him doing? Idiot. I just saw him going. Where are you gonna go now, boogeyman? I'm the boogeyman. I'm coming to get. Where'd he go? I see your tail. Ice assist! Wait. Where'd he go? Where the flip did he go? Wait. Cat gone missing. Bro teleported. I think I'm like killing him. Like I'm hurting him. Hey, measuring. I'm probably gonna hurt myself. Did I scare you? Did I scare you? Can you guys see that? I saw you. Hey, they saw you. They already saw you. They already saw you. They already saw you. And now you actually like going missing. No. Hey, I see you. Bro, why do I just keep seeing his head pop up? You guys have to see this. Right? Hey, I saw you traveling. I see him traveling. Hey, come here. Hey, I see you. This is probably the dumbest video on the internet. Did he go back in there? Oh, there you are. Hey, I can see you. Don't go under the fence. That's dangerous. That's a hazard. It might fall on you. Oh my God. Why is this here? I'm so curious. Curious George. Why are you still hurt about it? Stop. Stop it! That hurts. Ooh, what is that? I'm not climbing there. Ow. It's actually hard to keep balance, if I'm being honest. I don't know what about this, but it's nasty. It looks like a... Bro, the dog's looking at me straight from the fence, bro. He's like looking like in here. He's... he just went like this. He just went Undertaker, rolled his eyes back like... I don't know how to do... I don't know how Undertaker does that. Like, do you see the inside, like the top of your eyes? Of your eyelids? Hey, Paco, I beat you no dinner tonight! And you don't have a place to sleep. I'm kidding, I don't do that. And actually, I think you'll... Hey, if you move 1 inch, then you get dinner tonight. Move an inch. Before I get into the shed. He moved an inch. Actually, he didn't. It looks like he's still. Yeah, he moved an inch. First one to get into the shed wins. Ooh, no, ooh, ooh, ooh. Word is sold. I think he was in the shed. Bro, if you guys live in like the North Pole, like Santa, come down to Ohio. It's pretty hot. Or Nebraska, like Camden said, it's hot in Ohio. It's a hot spring. Well, at least for this week. Okay, I'm going inside. We'll continue it when I get there. What am I gonna do next? I already did running. I mean, I'm happy that I can pause the video, or I would have to think. No! What did you do? No! won't do. How about nothing? Or something inside that. I'm recording. Wait, is that what I think it is? Hey, don't read this, guys. This ain't here. Blur this out if you can, editor, because I'm not editing this video. See, stuff like that I have to edit out if I said editing. Ah! Oh no. Let's play hide and seek, guys. Oh, I'm gonna hide in here. Never mind. I'll do it for the video. I'm kidding. Not right now. When my brother leaves, my brother's set. Pause. Have you eating? You better, if you're getting hungry.